Hi guys, good morning. Happy, what's today's date? Today's Thursday, so I'm doing Vlogmas day number 24. I hope you guys are doing a wonderful day. So I'm going to be cooking dinner early because I gotta going to work, so I gotta do my dinner early. So when I come back, I just finish it up. If I don't finish this early morning, so I'm about to do my workout and then proceed on moving on to the day. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. So as you guys are about to see me cooking some beef. So I feel like today we're gonna eat some beef stew with some rice and some vegetables. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you on my next video. Please do subscribe. So I'm almost done cooking. I'm also getting ready for work this morning, so I'm tired, but I'm good. So I'm gonna show you guys the sauce how it looks like, but I'm not done yet. I'm still cooking it. So yes, so here it is. Ooh. guys, so I am done cooking, so I'm getting ready to go to work. I'm already dressed, so I gotta put my shoes on at the door. I don't ever put my shoes on in the house because the germs outside, put them on in the house, oh my god, it scares me. I don't like wearing shoes in the house. Shoes that I wear outside, they'll come to the floor in the house, like they sit right there at the door where they belong, okay? But yes, I'm gonna show you guys the stew. And it's been done a long time, like pretty thick. This is what I like. Well, yeah, here it is. Nice. So it's ready for later on. Alright guys, hope you guys have a lovely day. I got some dishes in there, but it's okay. Those will be coming later. I gotta go. Right now it's 7:23 a.m. I gotta be at work at 8 o'clock. So okay guys, I will see you guys later.